Welcome to this 5-bedroom house for sale in Meyerstal, Alberton, South Africa for R9,620,000. Nature Estate is situated in the heart of Meyerstal, Alberton. This property offers 360 degrees of uninterrupted views. Individually operated Wi-Fi and entertainment clipsal system throughout the house. The house size is 850 square meters and the stand size is 1030 square meters. The house has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, all en suite, all fully and neatly tiled, 3 reception rooms, 4 outside patios with extraordinary views, outside entertainment area with pool bordering the actual nature reserve line. There are 4 garages. Inside, waterfall flowing into a pond. This property is a must-see. Emergency services. Summitis Skin Body Clinic 2.28 kilometers. Docks at Work 2.29 kilometers. Alberton, Medicross 2.32 kilometers. Malmd Clinic 2.36 kilometers. Recreation. Virgin Active, Meyerstal 1.53 kilometers. Raadvlei Farmyard 2.05 kilometers. Curves, Meyerstal Square 2.08 kilometers. Shore Slim, Wellness Clinic, Komaro View 2.49 kilometers. Schools. Kip McGrath Education Center 0.72 kilometers. Kenton Primary School 2.48 kilometers. Mulbarton Primary School 2.55 kilometers. Hoërskool Innermeke 2.56 kilometers. Services. Sasol, Meyerstal 0.87 kilometers. Xenex 1.04 kilometers. Sasol 2.18 kilometers. Meyerstal Veterinary Clinic 2.48 kilometers. Shops Entertainment. Meyerstal Mall 0.68 kilometers. Steers, Meyerstal Mall 0.70 kilometers. Pharmacy 0.70 kilometers. Spa, Meyerstal Mall 0.72 kilometers. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.